plane behind me was the saving grace for Dr. Brantly and Nancy Writebol. It's the one that brought them here to Atlanta. It's a modified Gulfstream G3, one of only 3 in the world. The plane is owned and operated by Phoenix Air in Cartersville, one of the largest air ambulance services in the world.
We're ready to go at the drop of a hat if some sort of a problem develops, that this would be the appropriate answer.
Dr. Brantly and Nancy Writebol were transported in one of these tents. It's essentially a mini ICU with everything the flight physicians and nurses need. VANCE FEREBEE was one of the nurses on both flights.
Other than you had the aspect of Ebola, and the downside of that, of course, is quite serious. It was really just another day in the office.
After the patients are delivered, the plane is immediately decontaminated and the tents and all medical materials are incinerated. Phoenix Air has been using the technology for the last 5 years.
We were able to take good care of the patients given the restraints of being in that kind of environment, but also it went really with no complications whatsoever.
Another thing that made this mission different than ones in the past is that there was no backup plan in case the patient's condition went south. They had to make it to Atlanta. Thankfully, it worked out well for both patients.